A pub with 50% vegan food on the menu and 95% vegan beer.
I mean, it's good, but it's about to get even better.
Now they serve Bosch food. That's right, there are now 3 delicious Bosch dishes available for you to try in pubs in the UK, Europe, and across the world.
Now, you might have guessed the pub already, but if you haven't, it's Brewdog.
Way! These guys are so cool. They've got 3 Bosch dishes on their menu, so if you can't be bothered to cook the food yourself, you could go and have someone cook it for you.
I mean, we are super stoked by this. You guys get to go to a restaurant, or a pub in this case, and actually eat our food.
It's a great thing. These are the 3 dishes that we have on the Brewdog menu. as a little side note, right, this is a pub that have vegan Mondays. So all the vegan stuff on their menu is half price on Mondays. Could this be the most vegan-friendly pub in the world?
I reckon there's a strong possibility.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. Tasty beer.
solid lineup. Henry, what's your fave?
My personal favourite is the jackfruit mac and cheese. It's incredible.
I reckon the Big Bosh BBQ Bagel Burger is going to wibble your wobble. You are going to love that.
So find your way down to Brewdog and try them out, or if you prefer, you can, of course, cook the recipes in this video, because we've given you the recipes for free. We're nice like that.
Yeah, I reckon we are.
And the good news, you can even get it delivered to your house.
Oh my goodness.
Obviously you have to be in the right area, and those dudes come on the motorbike. Very cool.
It'd be cool if we could actually deliver it, but don't get your hopes up.
So please do enjoy the recipes, whether or not you cook them yourself at home. We love it when you guys do that. That's what we do a lot of the time too. But if you fancy a beer along with the food, then get yourself down Brewdog.
Cheers.
Cheers.